Dear learners, welcome to economics course at secondary level. I am Azmat Noori, the course coordinator of this course. Before going further, I will tell you the specific objective as well as learning outcomes of the course. After completing this course, you would be able to understand how societies, business, government, households and individuals can allocate their scarce resources, explain production and distribution of goods and services, explain the meaning and functions of money, bank and insurance, describe the challenges and sectoral aspects of Indian economy, describe in details India's position in the world and with its neighbor, explain various consumer rights and responsibilities. The curriculum of economics course has been distributed into 8 modules and 24 lessons. Each module has been divided further into different lessons. Modules names are Understanding Economics, About Economy, Producing Goods and Services, Distribution of Goods and Services, Money, Banking and Insurance, Presentation and Analysis of Data and Economics, Indian Economy, Contemporary Economics Issues. Bifurcation of syllabus economics subjects is divided into 2 parts. Part 1 is TMA, Part 2 is for public examination. 10 lessons will be assessed through tutor mark assignment and contain 20% marks as weightage. 14 lessons will be assessed through public examination or final examination. Public examination is compulsory and contain 20 marks as weightage. In the end, I would like to summarize the course structure, which consists 8 modules and 24 lessons. I wish all the learners good luck. Thank you.